Okay, as you can see, the surprising fact is that Hindi uses words from Persian and Arabic, and Urdu uses words from Sanskrit. Now, moving ahead. Very good, Aman. Keep it up. Okay. Surprising fact. Now, do you know section? The word Urdu originated from the Turkish word from tent, army, or horde. Means Urdu. Urdu was a language of the army. Urdu was a language of the army, and the common people before becoming the language of the court of Mughal of Delhi and Nawab of Lucknow. Means Mughal of Delhi की कोर्ट का लैंग्वेज बनने से पहले and before the becoming the language of Nawab of Lucknow, this is the language of common people. Okay, this is the language of common people. Now, common Hindi and Urdu phrase. Hello means in English hello, and in Hindi namaste, Urdu assalamu alaikum. Phrase good morning in Hindi suprabhat, and Urdu subak hai. सबक है. Where are you from? आप कहाँ से आए हैं हिंदी में बोलेंगे. इसी को उर्दू बोलेंगे आपका ताल्लुक कहाँ से है. नेक्स्ट वन गुड बाय. ओके, हिंदी में इसे बोलेंगे अलविदा, और इसी को उर्दू में बोलेंगे खुदा हाफिज. ओके, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द प्रीवियस क्लास. नाउ सिमिलरिटी ऑफ फूड बिटवीन इंडिया एंड नेपाल. Now this is going to be very mouth watering topic. सभी के मुंह में पानी आने वाला है, स्पेशली साक्षी. ठीक है. Now the traditional Nepali meals consist of dal, bhat and tarkari. This is a Hindi word. Okay, dal, bhat and tarkari. यानी pulses, rice, vegetable curry. Okay, similar food is served in many Indian household also. Similarly, food is served in many Indian household also. The only difference is the Nepali food is much less spicy than Indian food. Okay, we are talking about the Indian and similarity of food between India and Nepal. Okay, I think बच्चा लोग इसको देखकर, ये जो मोमोज है इसको देखकर काफी ज्यादा फोकस हो रहा है, अटेंशन दे रहा है. वेरी गुड. Okay, the only difference is that Nepali food is much less spicy than Indian food. Our food is much spicy as compared to the Nepali. They don't like to eat spicy food, but almost food items are same. The influence of Indian food is more evident in southwestern part of Nepal. Evident means evident. Evident means direct, pratyaksh. Okay, the influence of Indian food is more evident in southwestern part of Nepal. साउथ पोर्शन है नेपाल का, उधर दैट साइड ये because of the network issue. We all are facing problem. Now, we are talking about the southern part of the southwestern part of the Nepal, where the influence of Indian food is more. Okay, the rest of Nepal is influenced by the Tibetan and Chinese cuisine. Okay, cuisine, Chinese cuisine. Cuisine means CUISINES. Means dishes भी हो सकते हैं. Okay, dishes. A way to the style of cooking food. Okay, the rest of Nepal means north, eastern, western part of Nepal is much influenced by the Tibetan and Chinese cuisines. Moving ahead, yes, I am talking about Nepali delicious momos. Okay, Nepali. Wait a second. Wait a second. I think yes. Now Nepali's delicious momos. Okay, dumpling filled with meat or vegetable is very popular in India. Okay, as we all we all are fond of these momos. Yes, na Kasak. Kasak, am I audible? Okay. Now, the non-vegetarian cuisines of India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh is very similar. Cuisines means the style of cooking food. Okay, cuisine means the style of cooking food. The non-vegetarian cuisine of India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh is similar. The kebab are an all-time favorite with everyone. Dosa, a South Indian dish, form an important part of Sri Lanka cuisine. Okay, dosa, a South Indian cuisine dish, forms an important part of Sri Lanka cuisine. यानी श्रीलंका का जो फूड आइटम है उसमें इसका बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल होता है. Now Chinese food. Okay, Chinese food. Chinese food is very popular all over India. Chinese food is popular all over India, but it is very different from Chinese food that is available in China. Okay, we all very fond of this Chinese food, but the Chinese food, the Indian Chinese food is very different from actual Chinese food. Okay, that is available in China in many ways. They can't eat such type of spice that we eat. Similarity of dresses and with our neighbors. Okay, pay attention everybody here. Brisbane, what are you doing? Now, there is a great similarity in dresses of both men and women that are worn in India and its neighboring countries. Okay, there is a great similarity in dresses of both men and women that are worn in India and its neighboring country. हम लोग का जो ड्रेसेस सेंस है वो ऑलमोस्ट सेम है जो हम लोग का जो नेबरिंग कंट्री है उससे. Sari and salwar kameez are the traditional dresses in both India and Pakistan. Sari and salwar kameez are the traditional dresses in both India and Pakistan. Sari is also worn in Bangladesh. Sari is also worn in Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. However, the traditional style of wearing a sari is quite different in most countries. Okay. However, the traditional style of wearing a sari is quite different in most countries. जो साड़ी पहनने का टेक्निक है, स्टाइल है, वो सारे देशों में कुछ कुछ डिफरेंट होता है. The Melkha Chadar of Northeast, the Melkha Chadar of Northeast India is similar to the dress of Nepal. Okay, the Melkha Chadar of Northeast India is similar to the dress of Nepal. Myanmar and China, Myanmar and China. Okay, also in Myanmar, lungi, sarong, and ingi means blouse are worn. Okay, similar dress of lungi blouse is worn in South India and Sri Lanka also. Same type का जो ड्रेस है जो म्यांमार में यूज किया जाता है. Okay, we also seen such type of dress or dressing sense in South India and Sri Lanka. The traditional dress worn in Ladakh and Bhutan is quite similar to the Hanfu of China. Okay, जो traditional dress है from of Ladakh and Bhutan is quite similar to the Hanfu of China. You can see the picture of Hanfu wear by a men and women. Now the men in both India and Nepal favor kurta pajama or shirt coat with pajama. Okay, the men in both India and Nepal favor kurta pajama or shirt coat with pajama. Muslims in many parts of India wear salwar kameez. Okay, that is Pathani suit. Okay, salwar kameez means that is Pathani suit, which is the traditional dress of Pakistani men. Okay, this Pathani suit is the traditional dress of Pakistani men. But the modern generation has removed all differences and has uniformly adopted jeans and t-shirt. Means we as a modern generation, okay, remove all the differences. Okay, remove all the differences and wear jeans and t-shirt, shirt and pant. Okay, the similarities in the language, food and dress that we share with our neighboring countries highlight our culture bonds. Okay, हम लोग का जो हम लोग का सिमिलरिटीज होते हैं, जो सिमिलरिटीज इन लैंग्वेज, food, dress, all these things shows the highlight shows the our culture bond. Okay, shows the culture bond. They act as a unifying bond even in the face of differences. They act as a unifying bond even in the face of differences. As we can say, say that you are a Pakistani, I am an Indian, you are a Nepali, you are a this, you are that. Okay, but when we talk about dresses, almost same. When we talk about food items, we are almost same. When we talk about dresses, we all are same. When we talk about language, almost same. Okay, when we talk about language, we are almost same. Okay, means almost the basic things are same with us. Okay, among us. Okay, all like a language, food, dress, these are the basic thing. Okay, that are same among us, but there is a little bit a difference also, but we always talk about positive way. Okay, positive point of views, not about the negative, not about the differences. But if there are any differences, we should respect the difference. Okay, we should respect the difference. These are the MCQ question. Okay, these are the MCQ question. Kasak, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Anything you want to ask from the chapter?
No, sir.
No. Now tell me the answer of first question in the MCQ. India does not share border with
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan. Okay, mute yourself. Ayush, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Answer of Kasak is right. India does not share border with whom? Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, sir.
No? Okay, mute yourself. All the students of section 5F write their name, okay, write their name and roll number in chat box. Now, Saswat, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, what will be the answer?
The India shares boundary with Pakistan in the northwest.
No, no. Can you see the
Yes, sir. I can see.
can you see the
Sir,
question? India does not share
Yes,
border
sir.
with Pakistan,
Sir,
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan.
Yes, answer will be
Sir,
Afghanistan. Okay. Srishti, pay attention here. Mute yourself, Saswat.
Okay, sir.
Srishti, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Told your brother to play outside. Now question for you. Now question for you. Which of the following is our southern neighbor at sea?
Sri Lanka.
Okay, Sri Lanka. Now mute yourself. Suhani, unmute yourself. Suhani, unmute yourself. Okay, Ritika, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what will be the answer? Which of the following is our southern neighbor at sea?
सर मेरे बुक में क्वेश्चन चेंज है.
Okay, now you can answer here, na? Tell me the answer. Don't think about the different question. Now you can answer here.
Okay. Job following is
Sri Lanka is the right answer, Ritika. Focus here. Mute yourself. Suhani, can you unmute yourself? Suhani, can you? No. Surbi, unmute yourself. Sorry, Surbi, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Urdu script is known as
Nastalik.
Nastalik. Okay, very good. Now, Sakshi, unmute yourself. Surbi, mute yourself. Sakshi, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me, Sakshi, which question influenced the Nepali questions. Indo-American, Tibetan Chinese, Indo-Pakistani.
Tibetan Chinese.
Okay, mute yourself. Suja, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
What will be the answer? Answer of Sakshi is right or wrong?
Sir, I think wrong.
Okay, what will be the answer?
Sir, B.
B. Indian Pakistani.
Yes, sir.
Okay, mute yourself now. There's a contradiction. Let's clear by Vaishnavi. Unmute yourself. What will be the
Yes,
answer? What will be the answer?
Answer will be C. Option number C. Tibetan Chinese.
Okay. Now one more support. Get. Okay. Now, Sanchita, unmute yourself.
Yes.
What will be the answer?
Tibetan Chinese.
Okay, Tibetan Chinese.
Tibetan Chinese.
Okay. Daksh, unmute yourself. Daksh, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
What will be the answer of fourth number? Which question influences the Nepali questions?
Sir, C.
Okay, very good. Now see the answer. Tibetan Chinese. Very good. Mute yourself. Nandini, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 5 for you. Hamfu is a traditional dress of men in China, Bangladesh,
China.
Myanmar. China. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. China. Aniket others, unmute yourself. Aniket others.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me. Hamfu is a traditional dress of men in China, Bangladesh, Myanmar. What will be the answer?
China.
Very good. Ronak, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me the answer.
Sir, China.
India share boundary with dash in northwest.
Sir, Pakistan.
Northwest Pakistan. Good. Fahad, unmute yourself and put your camera on. Put your camera on. Put your camera on, Fahad.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now India believes in the policy of dash. India believes in the policy of dash. What will be the answer?
Sir, peace.
Okay, peace. Good. Mute yourself. Slok, unmute yourself. Slok, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me.
Yes,
Lungi blouse is worn in South dash and Sri Lanka.
Sir, Salwan.
South India. Okay. South India.
India.
Okay. Now we have a very less time. So you all are complete your MC objective portion like MCQ, fill in the blanks. Okay. And try to imagine following and try to answer all these question answer. I will ask in next class.